Hello everyone, my name is Sham Shankar. In this video, we are going to see the stack implementation using linked list. You can go for the program. Here, class node. I have given the node as a class name. Def init self data self comma data self dot data is equal to data self dot next is equal to none. Then we are introducing stack. So class name as stack def init self dot head is equal to none. We need the push function. So using def push self data. If self dot head is none, self dot head is equal to none of data, else new node is equal to node data, new node dot next is equal to self dot head is equal to new node. We need the pop function, so using def pop self. If self head is none, then return none, else pop is equal to self dot head dot data self dot head is equal to self dot head dot next, then print str popped plus popped successfully return. We need the display function, so we are using def display. Here self dot head is none, print stack is empty, otherwise it will print n is equal to self dot head, while n is not none, print n dot data equal to end is equal to n dot next. Here we are introducing ch is equal to int input n pop. That means 1 is for push, 2 is to pop, 3 is to display, and 4 is to exit. This is the menu driven program. The character 1 is for pushing the element, then character 2 is for popping the element, then 3 is for displaying the element, 4 is to exit and exit the list. Now we can just push the element. I'm just giving the choice is push 1. Enter the element to be pushed. I'm just giving it as 10. The 10 element is to be pushed. The element 10 is pushed. Now it's just asking again. I'm just giving it as 1 again. Enter the element to be pushed. Now I'm giving it as 20. Now again my choice is to push an element 30. Now we can display the elements 30, 20 and 10 are the elements which I gave here, 30, 20 and 10. Now we can pop the element. Here a value is popped here. Popped. Sorry, I gave the display over here. We can give here pop. Here the value is popped, 30 is popped. Now we can pop it again. Now 20 is popped. If we pop again, it will show 10. Let's see that. See, 10 is popped. Because 30 is popped, 20 is popped, then 10 is popped. If we display now, it will show none. Stack is empty. Stack is empty. 4. After giving 4, it just exited the loop. Now we can see about queue. Queue implementation of the linked list. Now we can see about the queue implementation of the linked list. Here, class node. We can just run the program here. And we can just go for the explaining part. Here I have given the node class name as node def init self.data self comma data self.data is equal to data self.next is equal to none. Here we need the queue, so we are using class name as queue. Self def init is self.head is equal to none, self.last is equal to none. We need the enqueue function, so we are using the def enqueue self comma data. If self.last is none, self.head is equal to none and none comma data. Self.last is equal to self.head, else it just comes for else part here. Self.last next is equal to none. Self.last is equal to self.last.next. We need the dequeue function. Next we need the dequeue function. So we are using def dequeue. If self.head is none, it just returns none. Otherwise, it goes to else part. To return is equal to self.head.data. Self.head is equal to self.head.next. Then return to return. Then we are going to display the elements. So we are using the display functions. Print the queues elements or like that just shows and displays the elements. Then this is a menu driven program. Character if we give 1, you just go for enqueue. If you just give 2 in the output, in the user defined output, it just gives a requeue. Then if you give 3, just go for display. Then if you give 4, just go for exit. According to the choice, I have given the conditions over here. Now let's I'm just giving enqueue it. Enqueuing, my choice is to enqueue. Enter the elements to be enqueued. I'm just giving it as 10. Then my choice is enqueuing it. So I'm just enqueuing it again. 20. Now again I'm just enqueuing it. 30. Now just enqueued. Now we can just display it. Just shows 10, 20, then 30. Now we can just dequeue it. Dequeue it. The 10 element 10 is dequeued from the element. Then again we can just dequeue it. 20 will be dequeued from the list. Then we can just dequeue it again. 30 will be dequeued. If we dequeue it again, what happens is it will show the stock, the queue is empty. The queue is empty. If we display it again, if we display it, it shows the same. It shows the same. The queues are, then it's empty. That's it. And this is my hacker rank. Thank you guys.